Good day everyone. Now we're gonna tackle about blog. What is blog? Blog is a discussion or informational website published on the World Wide Web, consisting of discrete, often informational diary style text and trees. Elements of a blog. 1. Magnetic headline. It's the same with a blog headline. It has to give some indication of what your article is all about, make the prospect want to learn, at least check out our first paragraph. In other words, it needs to be magnetic. It needs to pull people in. 2. Compelling lead. The first sentence or short paragraph of your blog must be compel visitor. To read your second paragraph, you want to draw your readers and don't take forever to get to the point, and make sure there's sufficient build up so that readers will want to know more about the information you're presenting. 3. Useful subheads. It serves three purposes. They break up the type to make the page more visually appealing. They help your reader navigate the important sections. They boost search engine optimization or SEO. 4. Informative and engaging body. The body is the meat and potatoes of your blog post. 5. Appealing graphics. It's a great idea to include your graphics in your blog post to illustrate points, to break up with text within the body of articles to make your pages more visually pleasing. 6. Powerful call to action. Your first step is to decide what action you want your visitors to take. 7. Relevant internal link. Advertising is one reason you should include links to other articles on your site in every new article you write. One of your main goals is to get people to stick with your website. 8. Good meta description. It is the snippets Google displays in search results. Left to its own device, Google will grab to the first sentence or two from the article. However, it may not always be the best way for your article to appear in search results. Here are some examples of a blog. 1. Tech and gadgets. TechCrunch cover the latest in technology, startups, and gadgets. 2. Personal finance. The Penny Hoarder provides tips in saving, budgeting, and earning extra income. 3. Nomadic Math focus on budget travel advice, destination guides, and travel tips. 4. Food and recipes. Smith & Kitchen features recipe and cooking tips from home chef Deb Perleman. 5. Personal development. Zen Habits by Leo Babauta focus on simplicity, mindfulness, and self-improvement. So next is flash fiction. Flash fiction is a complete story written in 1,000 words or less. It all depends on the submission requirements for the web-based publication or print-based publication. It includes all the elements of a short story or novel, such as incident, protagonist or central character, plot or plot structure, supporting character, setting, point of view, theme, story, and tone. The story is very short and can be read in less than 10 minutes. Here are some examples of a flash fiction. 1. For Sale Baby Shoes Never Worn, often attributed to Ernest Hemingway. Just 6 words, the plays capture the full story in a single line, evoking emotions of a long loss and tragedy. 2. Sticks by George Saunders, a hauntingly short story about a father who builds figures in the yard with sticks, hinting at themes of family, regret, and the passage of time.